Gratitude is the key that unlocks abundance, joy, and inner peace. When we shift our focus to appreciation, as Louise Hay so beautifully taught, we invite even more blessings into our lives. These affirmations, inspired by her timeless wisdom, will help you cultivate a mindset of thankfulness, opening doors to endless possibilities. Speak them daily, feel their loving energy, and watch your life transform in miraculous ways. Let's begin. I wake up with a heart full of gratitude for this new day. Today, I choose to see the beauty in every moment. I am thankful for the breath in my lungs and the strength in my body. My life is a reflection of the love and abundance I embrace. I greet this day with joy, knowing it is a gift. Every sunrise reminds me of new opportunities. I am grateful for the peace that fills my soul. Today, I attract positivity through my thankful heart. I honor my journey and appreciate how far I've come. My gratitude magnetizes miracles into my life. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly, and I receive it with gratitude. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. I am thankful for the unlimited abundance surrounding me. My income increases beyond my expectations. I release all lack and welcome financial freedom. The universe constantly provides for all my needs. I am grateful for the opportunities that bring me wealth. Prosperity is my birthright, and I claim it now. My grateful mindset attracts endless abundance. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer. My confidence grows stronger each day. I celebrate my uniqueness and embrace my flaws. I am enough just as I am. My self-worth is not defined by others. I radiate love, and it returns to me tenfold. I honor my body and treat it with kindness. I release self-doubt and step into my power. I am proud of the person I am becoming. My body is strong, healthy, and full of vitality. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy. I nourish my mind, body, and soul daily. Wellness flows through me effortlessly. I release all stress and embrace peace. My immune system is powerful and resilient. I am thankful for the energy that fuels me. I choose habits that support my well-being. Perfect health is my natural state. I attract loving and supportive relationships. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. I am surrounded by people who uplift me. I release toxic connections and welcome positivity. My relationships are filled with trust and joy. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. I communicate with kindness and understanding. My soulmate is on their way to me. I forgive easily and love deeply. My heart is a magnet for meaningful connections. Success flows to me effortlessly. I am capable of achieving all my goals. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. I am grateful for my skills and talents. My dreams are manifesting into reality. I attract success with ease and gratitude. I am unstoppable in pursuing my passions. The universe supports my ambitions. I celebrate every small victory. My hard work is rewarded abundantly. I release all worries and embrace serenity. My mind is calm and my heart is at peace. I live fully in the present moment. Gratitude dissolves all anxiety. I am in harmony with the flow of life. Every breath I take brings me tranquility. I let go of what I cannot control. My soul is aligned with inner peace. I choose joy over stress. Peace is my natural state of being. I attract what I focus on with gratitude. My thoughts create my reality. The universe conspires in my favor. I manifest my desires with ease. My visions are becoming my reality. I am a powerful creator of my life. Everything I need comes to me at the right time. My dreams are already on their way. I align my energy with abundance. Miracles happen for me every day. I reflect on this day with gratitude. I release all negativity and embrace peace. I am thankful for the lessons today taught me. My heart is full of appreciation. I sleep soundly, knowing I am blessed. Tomorrow will bring even more joy. I forgive today's mistakes and welcome growth. My dreams are filled with positivity. I am grateful for the rest my body receives. The universe continues to guide me. I trust the divine timing of my life. Everything happens for my highest good. I surrender my fears and embrace faith. The universe has a perfect plan for me. I am always guided and protected. unfolds beautifully. I release control and trust the journey. My faith attracts miracles. I am divinely supported in all ways. God, the universe, provides all I need. My gratitude multiplies my blessings. I am a beacon of light and positivity. Happiness is my default state. I radiate good energy wherever I go. My life is a masterpiece of joy. I am thankful for the smallest blessings. My positive mindset transforms my reality. I attract synchronicities effortlessly. Every day is a fresh start. I am a magnet for miracles. My heart overflows with thankfulness. I see the good in every situation. My gratitude journal fills with abundance. I am blessed beyond measure. The more I give thanks, the more I receive. I celebrate life's simple pleasures. My energy attracts limitless possibilities. I am a living example of gratitude. My thankful heart opens new doors. Today and every day, I choose gratitude. Let these affirmations guide you to a life of joy, abundance, and deep fulfillment. Speak them daily, feel them deeply, and watch as your world transforms. Gratitude is not just an attitude, it's a way of living. Start now and let the magic unfold.